Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Motorola Moto G75 comes with a USB cable inside of the box. Here is the Motorola Moto G75 and let's open it to see if there is a USB cable inside. The first thing we see is the phone in a clear case. It comes pre-installed with a clear case that you can take off if you don't like it. Then underneath it, you can see a SIM card tray opener, some documentation, and I can see a charging cable that's USB-A to USB-C. You can use it to charge your phone or connect it to a PC. And in my version, it doesn't come with a charging brick. I know that in some versions, in some countries, it comes with a charging brick, but if it doesn't have a charging brick inside of the box, it's marked on the box here, as you can see, that it doesn't have a charging brick inside. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.